Good job, man. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is the start of some different, a new series. Y'all know I usually trade prop firms, but so I recently just opened up a live account with not Top Step, but Trae. As you can see, this is a real live account. Now I started with $1,000, but I did take a L on Monday, small $160 L, but today I just didn't see a trade Tuesday, and today I literally just took a literally was out in 30 seconds, took a supply setup on US 30. Now we're finna go over this setup, but yeah, man, I just started this 1K account and this shit is going crazy right now. I should have fucking hell, bro. I'm just trying to get out at 101 on this account, but I'm gonna start actually just closing partials and just holding and seeing what happens, because I am missing out. But like, yeah, I just opened this account, took an L, second trade took a W, and I'm basically just gonna document the whole process of me growing this account, and I'm gonna keep adding to it. I'm not gonna just try to flip 1,000. I'm gonna grow this account and compound and add money every now and then. But so this account is slowly gonna get bigger and bigger. I just feel like it's time for me to start a live account and stuff, man. Really just need a break from the prop firms and shit. I'm still gonna be trading with prop firms, but not as much. My main focus is gonna be more on my live account and just growing that. But let's just go over this little setup I took today. So, and I actually closed at a I meant to say close, y'all, chill. But I closed at a 101 because this candle just went crazy. I had my take profit set, so I didn't even have time to move that shit down, but this candle just like literally hit my 101 within seconds, and I'm just like, damn, that shit, I already knew that shit was finna go crazy after it hit my 101 like that. But basically this is a regular supply setup on US 30. If we go to the 15-minute, I noticed that we are rejecting off the 200 EMA, which is this white line right here. At this moment we're rejecting as we're tapping into the supply. If I go to the 1 hour, not really seeing nothing except for we're breaking structure to the downside and we're below the 50 and the 13 EMA. And yeah, that's really all the analysis I did was regular supply setup. So what I look for in the supply setup, I want to see a solid green candle, and immediately after that candle I want to see a red candle breaking. It doesn't have to be that same candle, but I want to see a red candle with the gap attached to it, and then I want to see a break of structure. And we just broke this low right here, so I counted that as my break of structure. And then basically what I did was wait for it to tap into the zone, and we're already extremely bearish at this moment because I looked at the news and, you know, the market is just tanking right now because of Trump and all this tariff shit. Basically investors are just scared and they're selling off everything, so everything is dropping. But we get a tap at the zone, we get a great reaction right here. This is what I like to see. I like to see it tap into the zone, rejection, wick, and close like this little doji or shooting star, whatever type of candle you want to call it. And then I just wait for the break of the candle. I had a 40 pip stop loss, risking around 200, but the way I got in like a little bit in profit, so I didn't make the exact 200. I made like 190 something. But yeah, man, that's really all. I closed at a 101. And this setup is actually going crazy. About to hit a 103. Like, oh my gosh, I should have held. Like, I would have been up 300 in the account right now if I would have had it. Well, not, I don't know how to do math, but I would have been up right now, bro. Like, this is just basic setup, and I'm gonna continue to hopefully I can be able to record my trade next time, but this setup was literally happening as soon as I got to the chart, so I just had to hurry up and do my analysis, see if this actually got potential to win, and then enter on the setup. So like literally as I got to the charts, we were already on this candle tapping into the zone, and you can see my what this shit called, my P&L for today. Yeah, man. And the reason I would be back at 1,000, but because with futures they charge you fees and shit, so I didn't make, like, it's not gonna be what you make, they're always gonna take some fees off and shit. So that's why I actually should have held, but it's all good though. We'll be back tomorrow, and I'm no longer gonna be trading on Fridays. My new schedule, I'm actually gonna just trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I'm just gonna take Fridays off. And I'm just trying to be super disciplined with this account and just see if I can actually grow a small account and see if I'm really good at trading, because you could trade, anybody can pass a prop firm and trade a prop firm, but this is really pissing me off, like how this setup is just going crazy, like it's melting and I didn't hold. Like, god damn, bruh. But yeah, man, that's the end of the video. I'm about to go to the gym. Let me know what type of content, or not content, but like, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but let me know what y'all want to see next from me. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.